Namaste my dear friend and welcome to another morning yoga class. I am Neeru. Today we are going to have a very easy beginner friendly class that will provide us with that little jolt of energy to start our day right. So let's begin. Alright, so we'll start sitting comfortably. I'm going to be sitting on my knees in Vajrasana. You can take either Vajrasana or Sukhasana today to begin the practice. So keep your spine straight, keep your chin parallel to the ground, bring a gentle smile on your face, and if you feel like it, gently close your eyes. Slowly start coming into yourself, bringing your mind into yourself. Forget all the tasks that you have to do and just try to be present and just try to breathe. Gently bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra. Sit up a little straighter. We'll begin this class, we'll begin this practice by taking 3 long breaths, inhaling through our nose and exhaling through our mouth. Take a deep breath in. Let's repeat it 2 more times. Slowly bring your palms down to your knees. If your eyes were closed with a few blinks, open your eyes, look straight ahead in front of you. Now, if you were not in Vajrasana, try to come to Vajrasana. We'll begin with a couple of toe stretches along with our neck. Alright, let me move like this so that it will be easier for you to see. Now, this is Vajrasana. We are sitting down in Vajrasana like this. Plant your toes. Plant your feet behind you and then sit down on your heels. You'll feel a nice stretch along your toes, which is what we want. And this is not a very comfortable posture, trust me. So in order to take our mind off the discomfort of our heels, let's start with a couple of neck bending. So looking straight ahead in front of you, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, slowly bring your right ear towards your right shoulder till you feel a nice stretch along the left side of your neck. You can keep your eyes open or you can close them. Inhale, slowly come back to center. Exhale, bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. Go as far as you comfortably can. Don't forget to breathe. On the next inhale, slowly come back to center. Take a deep breath in and bring your chin towards your chest. You feel a nice stretch at the back of your neck. Inhale, come back to center. Take a deep breath in and gently drop your head back, pointing your nose up towards the ceiling. On the next inhale, gently come back to center. Take a deep breath in and gently bring your right chin parallel to your right shoulder. Look as much as possible over your right shoulder, as much as you comfortably can. Inhale, come back to center. My toes are killing me right now, but I'm not focusing on that. Take a deep breath in, left chin parallel to your left shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Gently lift your hips up from your heels, bring the top of your feet to the mat. Your toes should be nice and warm by now. Just slowly release them. And let's gently plant our toes again and sit back down. This time, we'll stretch out our shoulders a little bit. Take a deep breath in, open your hands, open your palms. Breathing deeply. Imagine that you're standing at the edge of the cliff and you can feel the wind in your face, in your hair. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, bring your right hand forward, left hand behind. opening up your hands, twisting your body. Try to twist from the waist region. Inhale, come back to center. And on the exhale, left hand forward, right hand behind. Try to keep your hands parallel to one another in one straight line. Take a deep breath in, come back to center, open your hands one more time, expanding your chest. And gently release your hands, release your feet, top of your feet back to the ground. Oh yeah, I can really feel it by now. Now let's come to a tabletop posture. We will take tiger breathing now. Building up that little bit of a heat in our core. So press into your fingertips. Try to get really comfortable in this position. Your palms are just under your shoulders. You're looking straight ahead in front of you. And now, whenever you feel comfortable, on an inhale, lift your right knee off the mat and plant your right leg behind you. Rock your body forward and backward. Breathing deeply. Now pressing into that left palm, into your right palm, into your right fingertips, Lift your left hand by your left ear. Take a deep breath in. We are going to do tiger breathing now. Stretch your left hand as much as possible towards the front of your mat. You can stay here and you can gently continue rocking from side to side. But if you want a little bit more of a challenge, gently lift your right feet off the mat. Flex the toes of your right feet. Try to keep your body in one straight line. Take a deep inhale, stretch your hand and your feet in the opposite direction. And on an exhale, bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Inhale, straighten your left hand and your right leg. Exhale, left elbow to your right knee. Round your body. Inhale, straighten your hand and your leg. Reach in the opposite direction. And on an exhale, left elbow to your right knee. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, round your body. Inhale, straighten your hand and your leg, flex your right toes. And on an exhale, gently bring your left elbow to your right knee. Take a deep breath in, straighten your hand and your leg. Now, you can stay here, building up that heat in the core. Otherwise, you can bend your right knee. You can bring your left hand to touch your right feet, your right heel, your right feet, wherever you're able to reach. You can stay here looking down, working on your balance. Otherwise, kick your right knee up towards the ceiling and open up your back. You can keep looking down, or you can gently shift your gaze up towards the ceiling. Feel that nice opening up of your back muscles working. Let's take one more breath here. Take a deep inhale. Kick a little higher. And on an exhale, gently release your left hand down. Release your right knee down. My body feels a little warm right now. Let's repeat the same thing with the other direction. Coming to this tabletop posture. Plant your left leg behind you, lifting your left toes and gently rock forward and backward. Now with respect to your right feet, you can have the top of your feet on the mat. This is a little challenging, but if you feel that you're not getting that balance, you can plant your right toes. I sometimes find that this gives me a little more of a stability, especially when I'm lifting up my opposite hand and the leg. Now from here, as we did with the other side, pressing your left fingertips and your left palm firmly into the mat. On an inhale, lift your right hand by your right ear. Reach something towards the top of your mat. Take a deep breath in. Lift your left leg. Flex the toes of your left feet. Breathing deeply. On an exhale, bend your right elbow. Bend your left knee. Right elbow towards your left knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, right elbow to your left knee. Let's repeat it 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Flex toes, left toes. Reach your right hand. And on an exhale, bend your right elbow and your left knee. Take a deep breath in, straighten your hand and your leg. And on the exhale, bend your left knee. Try to reach your right hand and grab hold of your left feet or your left heel, whatever you're able to reach. Now you can stay here looking down at the ground and breathing deeply. This is a tough posture in itself. Otherwise, if you want a little bit more of a challenge, kick your left knee up towards the ceiling, open your chest and gently shift your gaze up. Don't forget to breathe. Open your heart, feel your back muscles working. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhale, release your right hand down, release your left leg down. Let's take a couple of hip rotations. Gently bring the top of your feet to the mat. Take a deep inhale, bring your hips towards your heels. And on an exhale, gently rock your body in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise direction. We won't be here for long, change the direction. Take a deep inhale, slowly bring your body back up to center. Bend both your knees and gently come to sit in Dandasana posture. Sitting with your legs straight up in front of you, flexing the toes of your feet. Breathing deeply, your palms by the side of your body. Now, this pose may look easy and it is very comfortable initially, but as you sit in this posture for longer and longer time, it just becomes more difficult. Now, let's take a couple of rounds of dynamic forward fold. Take a deep breath in and lift your hands up overhead, your arms by your ears, and keeping your hands as they are, inhale, stretch your hands up, and on an exhale, gently bend your body forward as far as you can comfortably go while keeping your toes flexed. Inhale, lift your body back up, lift your hands up. And on an exhale, gently bend your body forward. Inhale, lift your hands up, stretch your hands up, feel that side stretch. And on an exhale, gently go as far as you can comfortably go forward while keeping your arms by your ears. Let's do it 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lift your hands up, stretch it up. Exhale, gently bend forward. Last time. Take a deep breath in, stretch your hands up. And on an exhale, this time gently bend your body forward. And then bring your hands wherever it is able to reach, either your feet, your ankles, your shin, wherever you can comfortably go. Grab hold of that part of your feet. Take a deep inhale, expand your chest. And on an exhale, gently bend your body down, coming to a forward fold, Paschimottanasana posture. This is one of my absolute favorite postures. Feel a nice release on your back. Keep that smile on your face. And let's take a couple of long, deep breaths. With every inhale, try to straighten your spine a little bit. And with every exhale, try to bring your body a little further down towards the ground. Make sure that you're not rounding your back, but you're keeping your spine straight. Last breath here. Take a deep inhale and slowly walk your hands back towards your thighs. Now, come to a comfortable seated posture for our small breathing exercise. You can either sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. As with the beginning of the class, I'm going to be taking Vajrasana today, but you're welcome to sit in any comfortable posture of your choice, even resting your back against a wall if that works for you. We won't be here for long, just for another minute or so. So today's breath awareness is going to be chest breathing. If you're following the 7-day morning inspiration yoga classes, the day 1 we did abdominal breathing. So today we would be doing a chest breathing awareness. Now take a couple of long deep breaths and bring your body back to the mat. Bring your mind back to your breath. if it had wandered away. You can keep your eyes open, or if you feel like it, you can gently bring your eyes to a close. I would actually recommend doing that. Bring a gentle smile on your face. And now, place your left palm on top of your chest, the left part of your chest, right above your heart. And place your right palm over your left palm. And just breathe. As you inhale, feel your chest rising up, feel your palms lifting up. And on an exhale, feel your chest dropping down. If your mind wanders, as it tends to do, try to bring it back into your breath, into the movement on your chest. Try to make each breath longer than the previous one. Let's take 2 more breaths here. At the end of the next exhale, gently bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Adopt the Namaskara Mudra. If your eyes were open, gently bring it to a close. Let's end the class just like the way that we started it, with 3 long breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Take a deep breath in. With a few blinks, open your eyes and look straight ahead in front of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice today. I hope you are feeling a little energized than when you started. Let's wish peace upon all beings of this universe, all beings in this earth. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Namaste. See you next time. Bye.